Did you know that in 2016, a U.S. Navy research ship performed a sudden, unscheduled dance over the Mariana Trench? It wasn't for science. It was a response. The USNS Summit and the deep-sea sub Alvin were rerouted. Official logs called it a systems check, but maritime trackers told a different story. They were circling one spot for days. They had detected an anomaly, a deep-sea signal, a sound that didn't belong. The theory whispers that Alvin didn't go down to observe. It went to investigate a contact, a sonar contact so large and so strange it broke all known models. Was it a geological event, or had their instruments recorded something? Awakening? The mission was classified higher than top secret. They called it Project Nightingale. Not to explore the abyss, to silence it. What did they hear in that deep-sea signal? The answer is buried under 7 miles of water, and a silent order to forget what lurks below.